Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is all what you need to know before going into trade for 4th May 2021. In the international market, US ISM manufacturing PMI for April came in at 60.7 versus expectations of 65. With no other news, US 10-year closed at 163 percentage points and 30-year closed at 2.30 percentage points on Monday. German 10-year bonds are now trading at minus 0.16 percentage points, which was last seen in March 2020, which means the yield rising scenario is also happening true in the Germany as well. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $67.69 per barrel. Short-term range seems to be 66 to 69. In the currency market, dollar index or DXY is at 91.07 and it seems DXY is directionless again. DXY's today's range seems to be 90.66 to 91.34. USD CNY or Chinese Yuan is at 647. USD INR with a low of 73.91 closed at 74.95. USD INR's range for today seems to be 73.65 to 74.11. Night's trend rate success, if we talk about, we had mentioned yesterday that the USD INR resistance would be at 73.90-95 range, and USD INR indeed made a low of 73.91, closing at 73.95. We also had mentioned that the USD INR will hover around 74.25 and it did touch an intraday high of 74.33, but we did not anticipate a close below 74. In the domestic market, as we said yesterday, Rupees 1.41 lakh crore GST news took the markets higher. All eyes are now on Thursday's Operation Twist. Until then, we expect the market to trade between 595 to 605 narrow range. 563 2026 closed at 557 versus 559 the previous trading day. 585 2030 closed at 6% versus 603 the previous trading day. There were two big trades which happened yesterday. One with rupees 2500 crore at 599 and another one was at rupees 515 crore at 6%. Market participants believe that this is purely because of RBI intervention in the secondary market, but we will have to wait for RBI official data to confirm the same. For yesterday's trading data, public sector banks sold net rupees 5001 crore for in the GSEC category. It seems the net rupees 3,500 crore, 3,015 crore reported deal. Public sector banks would have been one of the counterparties, but the other counterparty remains a mystery, or maybe RBI. Few of the participants are also guessing whether it is a part of government's GSEP program apart from the scheduled auctions in GSEP. Questions remain unanswered, but the heavy selling comes at 6% by the public sector banks, and that is for sure, and we have repeatedly seen the same in the recent past. The mood of the market remains upbeat and we expect the market to trade positively, but many of the participants are now booking profits. That's it for today. You were listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh, co-founder of Fintech. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.